Hi there, my name is Theo. I am a member of the Red Cross and Red Crescent response team. In this video, I'm going to talk about laws for a National Society's auxiliary role, and laws for emergency preparedness and response. Legal preparedness is part of the preparedness for effective response approach to strengthen our National Society's overall response capacity. You probably have heard about National Society's auxiliary role. It is a truly unique and special status, enabling national societies to engage and contribute to national humanitarian preparedness and response. The auxiliary role is the formal relationship we have with the national authorities to provide humanitarian services, and it needs to be recognized in a country's laws. Often known as the Red Cross or Red Crescent Law, it sets out what the National Society's humanitarian role is, and it also ensures that the government respects the Red Cross and Red Crescent fundamental principles. A country's laws and policies can also set up further specific roles for a national society across sectors like disaster management, health, and migration. In my country, the Disaster Response Plan says our national society is responsible for providing temporary shelter and distribution of aid during an emergency. There are also laws and policies that give national societies legal rights and exemptions for staff and volunteers, tax, funding, freedom of movement, or customs. In my country, the Red Cross law contains a provision that allows our volunteers to be absent from work to participate in emergency response activities for 10 days per year and training for a further 5 days per year without suffering any decrease in salary. As well as ensuring our role in the country's laws, we can also help a country ensure their laws and policies for disasters are strong and can keep communities safe and save lives. Laws, policies, and plans determine who does what, when, and how. Underpinning every preparedness activity or response operation for disasters, health responses, or any type of emergencies. IFRC is the global leader of disaster law. In partnership with national societies, they have worked with governments in 95 countries to develop, strengthen, and implement disaster law and policy. IFRC started their work in this area 20 years ago after the huge Indian Ocean tsunami. It was an unprecedented disaster with an unprecedented response, highlighting the need for more effective and efficient laws for international disaster response. Since then, IFRC disaster laws areas of focus have grown to reflect today's humanitarian needs: disaster preparedness, response and recovery, climate-smart disaster risk reduction, protection, gender and inclusion, public health emergencies, and international disaster response law. Wow! Isn't it incredible and interesting? Law and policy really are the foundation of all aspects of our role as national societies and a country's disaster risk management. Time spent on legal preparedness leads to time saved when a disaster occurs. Recent emergencies like COVID-19 have shown that we must be prepared and have a strong legal foundation to stand on. And we can.